Well, hello, welcome to my channel. Today we come to whole family come here to picnic. I'm gonna do a little fishing for bluegills, basically panfish. They have a lot of panfish here. Water pretty clear, you can see. So it's temperature is perfect around I think around 79 degrees today. So we should be able to catch some panfish here, especially bluegills. So let's simple, just use night crawler, that's it. Nothing fancy. Just put a little night crawler on the J hook here, that's it. Nothing fancy.
No, see. What happened to all the fish?
Well, I don't say that they're here.
There's like 2 or 3 people fishing every day. How is there, how is there this much?
Oh, there's a bite, there's a bite, there's a bite. Point you to where the thing is biting. See, it's biting. Caught one.
I see that it's so small.
What is that called? What fish you think it is? What fish you think it is? Hey, point to the.
No.
What fish you think it is? It's called a perch. That's a little perch.
Touch it?
Yeah.
So cute. A yellow
it's a little
perch?
Yeah.
More orange than yellow.
See the belly, kind of a little yellow.
Yeah, it's fins. Small fish. That's real
It's
far.
a fish. Point you to where the bobber is. You know why I know people here? Because people are watching the Packer right now. Packer playing the Viking football.
Oh, yeah. Also, I'm the cameraman.
Oh, there's a bite. See? Little bite.
Okay.
Little bite. Little bite. Oh, missed it. It was a little bite. Oh, a lot of ducks.
Oh, look at those. I'm gonna...
Oh,
look at those
point to that, see? Oh, it's a little sailboat. See a little sailboat?
Yeah. I bet it doesn't scare off all the fish.
Oh, oh, there's a big boat there. Big boat down
Wow, that's cool.
there. It's called a pontoon.
Pontoon.
You know what a pontoon is?
Big boat.
No, that's kind of boat called pontoon. Oh, there's a bite. There's a bite. Bite. Come on, take it big time. Oh, caught one. Oh, God. Caught one. There's another small perch again. Yep, another small yellow perch. Baby one. Oh, caught one. That's all we're gonna catch today. Small perch. Small yellow perch again. Nothing fancy here, nothing big at all. Oh, fighting again. Caught another one. Oh, come on. Small again. Too many small perches here. So tiny. decent perch.
It's raising up his hand.
You want to keep this one or?
Keep it.
Yeah, it's a little small though. That's a beautiful perch right here. Beautiful perch. That's a beautiful perch.
It's raising up its hand. Hello.
Yeah. That's a little perch.
Name's Jerry, I think. Yeah, I guess.
Jerry. Caught one. Not a perch. Yeah, this one's follower.
A little bit bigger?
Well, it's the same size. Yeah, don't. Oh, it's biting. Got another one. Oh, this one's a little bigger one too. It's a decent one, this one. Oh, this one's a different fish. This is what we wanted. Yep. This is a bluegill. This is what we come for.
Why is it called a bluegill? It's not blue.
បានច្រើនដែរតែតូចកន្លែងទៅវិញហើយ
Oh, it is pretty good.
Well, not bad. It's finally catching a bluegill. Oh, caught one. Caught one. Oh, that's so small.
Another perch.
Another small perch. Yeah, as long as we keep catching fish, but the problem is we want bigger one.
I know.
It's so tiny. You want bigger fish. Here. Oh, it's a decent fish. Ain't bad. That's a bluegill.
At least it's not.
That's a bluegill.
At least it's not a perch.
Oh, this sucker is swallowing. Caught one. Yep, another perch again. Very small perch. Goodbye. Got one. Another perch. This one just swallowed it too. That's not good. It's perch. It's a lot of small perch here. Caught one. Small perch. Another small perch. So tiny. Yep, caught another one. So all we caught is just a tiny perch here. So all we catch today, tiny perch. Boat coming through. It's a pontoon. Got another one. It's another perch. So many baby perch here.
Where are all the mama perches?
Yeah, so many. How many we caught already? Over probably 10, 15 already. Just this little perch.
There's 2 in the bucket.
Yeah.
And 1 square.
There's a bite, there's a bite. Oops, caught one. Caught one. Ah, it's a little sunfish. Pumpkin seed. Small perch again. Little perch. A lot of perch here. Caught probably close to 20 perch already today. No big one. Oh, okay, that's it. Didn't catch any big fish at all. Hoping to catch some bluegills, but caught a couple of them small ones. A lot of perch. So that's it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.